guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Callie and I'm the creator of Glazed Epoxy. And in today's video, I don't know what's happening. Thought it was tangled, but it's not. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys this black and rose gold marble tumbler. I just really wanted to do a black with rose gold. I thought it was so pretty. And of course, I put my name on it. This is the first cup I put my name on. And I will show you guys all about what I did to get this look. And this is for my personal water bottle. I've told you guys before, I need a straw to drink water. Like, I will not drink out of it if it's not a straw. Like, I don't know why. And it's just easy to take with me when it has a it's fully enclosed. It's not like a straw, like the lid with the straw in it. I need something that will not spill because I have kids, and yeah. Also, my other water bottle, my the Hidden Gems one that I had, that one will not fit in my car cup holder. So I'm kind of getting annoyed just having it sit like on the floor of my car. So I wanted one that will fit so I can have it in the car with me. So yeah, that's what I did. I am obsessed with it. I haven't started using it yet, so now that I'm doing my video, I can start using it. Yeah, I love it. So if you guys want to know how I did this, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I have my water bottle. I prepped it with Final Sand and then just spray painted it the flat black from Rust-Oleum. And just going on with my epoxy. This is the DIY epoxy. I believe it's the fast set, but I'm not sure. I don't remember if it was fast set or regular. So yeah, just doing a layer of clear epoxy. And just make sure that you have a little bit left over to put your mica powder in. So once I have that coated with the clear, I add the rose gold mica powder in this, and it is so pretty. This is from DIY Epoxy, and just any metallic will work for this. I just really like to, when I'm doing a metallic marble, I like to put it in clear, whereas my white marble, if I'm doing the white and gray marble, I like to add the gray directly into the white epoxy. But when you're going on top of a dark color with metallic, I just prefer doing it this way. So just taking the little tiny stir stick and just kind of doing little veins throughout and just kind of connecting them and just doing little random squiggly lines. Try to make it look as random as possible. And don't forget about the bottom. And then I just added a little bit in the kind of blank areas where I will blend it out later, just so it's not just veining. There's like a little kind of splotchiness to it too. Then just using the little heat gun thing, forget embossing, I think it's an embossing gun, to kind of move it around. And what happens with metallic mica when you use heat and move it, it just kind of moves in this really cool way where the metallic like floats to the top. And I just love that effect. So if you're using any kind of metallic mica, make sure you put some heat on it. Use a heat gun or this embossing gun and just kind of move it, and you'll see that effect. It's just really pretty, and it's one of my favorite things to do. But you just keep moving it around. Just be careful. You don't want to heat it too much because then it starts to run. It does start to run a little bit. You'll see in a minute, but I'll show you at the end of this video a gold, just a regular gold and black tumbler that I did where it's more veining, and you'll see the difference. But just kind of keep moving it around, and if you need to take a break in between and kind of let it cool off a little bit and then go back in, you can do that. Yeah, just do not overheat it, because then it just turns into a muddy mess. So then I am also spraying it with alcohol, and you can see it just kind of breaks up that color and gives it a more natural, realistic marble effect. It just looks so cool. And I spray it a couple times because when it's spinning, it kind of makes it melt back together. But do you see how it floats like that and just gives it this really pretty effect? So any metallic mica powder will give you that effect. I just cannot get enough. I think it's so pretty. So spraying alcohol a couple more times, and that's what it's looking like. And then I went ahead and just tapped out a couple areas where it was getting a little runny and I just didn't like how it was looking. So you can always tap it out, do a little blending, just make sure you're happy with it. So the next day I went in and I cut out my own name, and this is the first cup I'm putting my name on. So yeah, it was just really fun. This font is called Medina, something like that. And I just get it on the Over app. That's what I make all my little designs on. So I just really love this font for doing cups. It's just like a really dainty, really thin, pretty font. So just peeling that off. And this is just like a rose gold vinyl. You could do whatever color, but I just kind of wanted it to look, I just didn't want my name to stand out too much. I kind of wanted it just to blend in with the rose gold marbling. So I'm just using my trusty tape to transfer the decal onto my cup. And I went and bought two scraper things, two of the Cricut scraper tools, because I had one and I lost it. And it really does make such a difference to use a scraper. Is that what it's actually called? I don't know. But ever since I started using that, it made such a difference in my decals. So just gonna place that on my cup. Satisfying peel. Except for that part. So then I just did 2 more layers of the epoxy to seal that in. So just doing the typical thing, lay the epoxy on, wait a few minutes, torch it, and then the next day it was done. So I just took the tape off. I didn't show me taping this in the beginning, but all my, like, the ones with the smaller lids like this, I tape off before I spray paint. I cannot get enough. I love it so much. And here's the black and just the plain gold one that I did. It is a huge water bottle, but you can see it's a little finer veining. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.